You're not a startup anymore. You're past that difficult survival stage of business development. Congratulations! By now, however, you've discovered that you're not a completely self-sustaining enterprise either. Am I right? You're caught between childhood and adulthood, enduring the growing pains of business adolescence. This is Bill Zipp, president of Summit Small Business. Is your business stuck at base camp? Meet Steve. Steve is a genius. There's nothing he can't fix. After graduating from college with a degree in engineering and a few frustrating years working for the man, Steve started his own business in the light industrial marketplace, and that business took off. That's the good news. Here's the bad news. Steve's business was killing him. Everything from sales to service, even taking out the trash, depended on him. His company became a revolving door for employees that never seemed to work out. And money, enough at first, was tight. Very, very tight. Steve's business was stuck at base camp. And when you're stuck at base camp, you endure all the hardship of being on the mountain, just none of the joy of getting to the top. Are you stuck too? There are 5 skills every business owner must master to get from base camp to the summit. Skill number 1 is strategy, or getting the right things right. When we first started working with Steve, he served one kind of customer one week, another kind of customer the next week, and a third kind of customer the third week with a totally different product and service. Businesses stuck at base camp are an inch deep and a mile wide. You must do just the opposite. You must be an inch wide and a mile deep. So we first helped Steve find his focus, and from his focus we created an annual plan of specific, measurable goals and helped him execute on that annual plan flawlessly. And thirdly, we helped Steve get the right things right in his personal life as well. We helped him get control of his time so that he can be true to the values and priorities he believed in. As we said earlier, Steve's company was a revolving door for employees that never worked out, and that was a very, very costly proposition. So we helped him hire and keep the best by defining what a job needed to do before he hired the person and creating a scorecard, a set of accountabilities for the job on how it contributes to the bottom line of the company. And then when we went to hire, we gathered a pool of candidates, not just 1 or 2 family and friends that showed up, but we gathered a pool of 20, 30, 40, and even 50 candidates for open positions in his company, and we hired the very, very best from that pool, ensuring long-term success by onboarding them, giving them everything they needed to succeed at the job. The third skill is money, or becoming financially intelligent. Steve was intelligent, but not about business finances. And so we taught him how to read his profit and loss statement, or the report card for his business. And then we talked about its long-term performance, or the GPA, as you see it in the balance sheet, what he owned, what he owed, and how to manage cash from them, a critical skill for running a small business. The fourth skill we taught Steve was marketing. When we first started Steve in marketing, he would advertise here and advertise there, and he didn't know if any of it ever worked. And so we again helped him focus on his core customer and what was the compelling benefit he offered his core customer. And then where was he having conversations with that customer? Marketing today must be interactive. We have got to stop shouting at people. And then the fifth skill is sales. Most people think sales is magic. Perhaps you get a sale, perhaps you don't. Sales is a science that has step-by-step processes. And from that science, we were able to develop targeting, tracking, and forecasting metrics for his sales to always know where he was on target. Are you stuck at base camp? What is your next step? Take the Small Business Skills Assessment. It's a 20-question tool we've designed for small businesses to help them know exactly where they're at in each of these 5 skills. And then contact us. We will review your results of this assessment for free. And finally, do business differently. You don't have to work harder, longer for less money. You can succeed as a business.